own kitchen, boy. I'm hungry.
Well, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the kitchen. So what I have here is some diced chicken breast and also some ground chorizo sausage. I also have some diced red onions here and also some green and yellow bell peppers. You can use any color bell pepper you like. Also I have some minced garlic. I've also taken some time to turn my chipotle peppers into a paste, but I just did that by just mincing the canned chipotle. I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken and my sausage with just some packaged taco seasoning. You can make your own, but I just used some that I had in hand. Go ahead and mix it up nicely. Alright, next, in some sort of wok or some sort of cast iron or some sort of pan, we're just gonna go ahead and start our meat. You don't have to add a whole lot of vegetable oil in there because our chorizo sausage will make a lot of its own oil. Start mixing this up. You want to make sure that everything's completely cooked. It's going to be a little bit harder to tell once everything starts turning red because of the chorizo, but just kind of keep, kind of spread it out and keep it going. And I've diced it small, so it does cook relatively quick. It'll be all right. All right, let this get some color. I just let this sit there for a moment, and then boom, as you see, it's pretty much starting to look like almost like a ground beef chicken mixture, but it's chorizo chicken mixture. If you wanted to do this with ground beef, you absolutely could. All right, let's go ahead and add some more vegetable oil in there now, and we're gonna just mix our red onions in there. Kind of the same that we do with a lot of like deglazing methods. Just get all that flavor from the chorizo sausage mixed with the onions. And we're gonna also add our bell peppers in there. Mix that up nicely. All right, go ahead and season that with a little bit of salt. Doesn't have to, you don't even have to add any black pepper, just, give it some just flavor. All right, we're gonna add our minced garlic in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and add half of my chipotle paste. Just to see how everything goes. You can add it all at one time, but I just kind of like to add it half at a time. After it's all incorporated, I add the other half. Alright, add your corn and beans in there now. Man, this smells amazing, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and add all our meat back into it. Now I have some yellow rice. You can use white rice if you like, but I prefer yellow rice for this recipe. It's kind of like a fried rice or something. I don't really even know what to call this, but I just call this like a Spanish style rice, delicious, delicious stuff. Mix that up nicely. As you can see, it's a beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and add some cilantro in there for flavor, also for aromatics, and also just for taste, If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. You can go ahead and add some parsley instead. Alright, go ahead and plate this up, and boom. Now you can eat it just like this, but I like to garnish it with just a little bit of sour cream and hot sauce. I'm using like a bit of a taco sauce. If you want to add some cheese in here too, you could. Finish it with a little bit more cilantro, and boom, we're done. Hope you enjoy, guys.